The Kane County Board, once we started to realize that we wanted to work with manufacturers, we didn't know how to do that. So we started first talking with one of our local organizations, the Valley Industrial Association, and the first thing they told us was you have to talk to somebody at IMEC. And we said, what's an IMEC?
IMEC works throughout the entire state of Illinois with small to mid-sized manufacturers, and one of the initiatives was to work within Kane County. IMEC itself has a team of improvement specialists, and we help manufacturers in different areas such as leadership, strategy, operations, workforce, customers, results. That purpose doesn't change regardless of where we are in Illinois.
Kane County has recognized the historical importance of our manufacturing industry. From the early times of sawmills and grist mills, our focus is now on cutting-edge applications, making our manufacturing industry stronger through innovation, workforce growth, and economic development. IMEC has been a big help in supporting manufacturing here in Kane County and across the region.
We all want to kind of have some say in how we're reviewed and just have that vision of throughout the year, what are we working towards? And so that was probably really the most helpful part, was just it had an impact on everybody. So, engaging the team was critical for that.
Small to mid-sized manufacturers tend to have a lot of obstacles. They have few people wearing multiple hats, and so there's a lot of barriers, reasons for which they can't put workforce first. Kane County's initiative, they can see people that look like them, right? And be able to see some of the things that they did, some of the success stories, some of the impacts that were made in retaining employees, in being able to grow and create jobs.
By reinvesting in manufacturing, the other communities around the state would have those effects where they keep those families in Illinois, that they're able to stay. So that investment they make will continue to strengthen those manufacturers and will continue to help them grow, and that workforce will get stronger.
So I think this event today is really important because there's not always a lot of opportunity to bring the manufacturers in the same room with elected officials, with other partners, and just really celebrate what manufacturing is doing, what it means, but also how we can continue to work to support it and improve it.